Guys, look! It has many flowers now. Look at that. Nice. So many, look. It has like white with a shade of pink on the side. And look at that. And there's also this one. This one is like pure white. That one has a shade of pink. This one is just like pure white, I see. And this one is also with a shade of pink. If you guys can notice that it has shade of pink. Yeah, it's so pretty. And this one also, look at that. Yes, look at that. Look, so many, it's so pretty. We have flower here now. Look, it's starting. Look at that. Look, see, it's starting. Looks nice. Look at how cute is this. Look, it's better looking this year than it was last year. Hi, say hi. Say hi.
At least with you, I'll always know where mommy is.
Mommy, I'll do it for you.
No, let's go.
Mommy, I'll do it for you.
Bye. These gooseberries, it didn't grow much, but it's ripe now, so it should be so sweet. It's lack of sunlight where we planted, so it didn't grow big. Yeah, so they are there. Sorry, I'm holding the phone badly. Yeah, so I'll give this to my husband because this is his favorite also. But look at that. Huh? You throw it? Just playing.
Mommy,
Okay, you want me to throw it?
One.
It's a good one. Whee! Ah! What are blueberries? Oh, so many blue ones now. We need to harvest it. Oh, look, oh,
What's that?
gooseberries.
Oh.
Abnormal size, but
A lot.
try it. It should be sweet.
I forgot.
This one is so small. This one is so small.
Sweet?
It's fancy there.
Sweet?
Sour.
Which one was sour? The black one?
Black one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like plums. Yeah.
Which one did you take? This one?
No.
The black one? And the other one? You tasted the other one? The other color?
Me? No.
No, Mommy was asking me.
Ah, okay. So.
I'll
No,
taste.
it's sweet. This one, this black one is so sweet. Not like sugary sweet, but try this. This one.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This is a big one.
Which one is better?
Oh.
I don't
What's
know.
this?
I don't know.
Which one you like most? The dark one?
I don't know.
It's both good.
I don't know.
I mean, you don't know.
They all taste good.
That's what I'm asking. If they
They all taste good.
not like that, Zoe. Just let him push you. Big, not.
Yeah, let him just.
Careful, your leg.
Mommy, mommy, under there. I see you, mommy. Where are you?
Where are you?
I just stuck this mommy.
She's harvesting too.
What are you doing, Kadam?
Just walk this time. Walk this time.
Akio.
Ooh, super speed. Speed. Ah, speed.
Zoe, just the blue one.
Speed.
No? Can you not run, please?
Speed.
I already have trauma from Adam. I don't want another one from you. It just fell. Zoe, you don't need to rush, okay?
Mommy, Lovey, look what fell in. Super speed.
Oh yeah, there's a back.
Daddy, he said I love you. What is Gagi doing in the trampoline?
Breaks from time to time.
I fell down.
So you haven't removed that yet?
He didn't want me to. He's scared.
Daddy.
Remove it.
Boo.
Daddy. Get jump, Daddy. Jump, jump. Daddy, jump. Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah. See, finish this one, please. Still have one there, oh look. But I will put it tomorrow. And then here. This is how big is this one tree.
He touching. He touching.
Yeah, that's the difference. Look,
Scared at all.
this big one is from this, and that a small one like that is from this. Look at the difference. Oh, Daddy, look at the difference.
Yeah. But which one tastes better?
The big one.
What's the big one? Those are bigger, better.
Whoa!
Whoa.
So our peas, the one that Zoe planted, died already, but it left like two of this, and the other one is dry, and this one has something. So I will let my husband taste this. Honey, the piece is dead, but try this. It has something inside. There are two. The other one is totally flat. Taste it. That's Zoe's plant.
Ooh, maybe she wants to taste it. I will taste one.
Taste it.
Taste?
How is it?
Not very sweet.
Not very sweet.
Mm.
Look at Zoe's face. What is it? It's not good?
It's not sweet things. Daddy is.
Adam, what? Why you look like that?
Mommy, It's not like every other piece. I see, Mommy.
Yeah, it's slightly
Where are
bitter.
you, Mommy?
It's because it's not probably.
That's Dr. Mommy. It's coming,
Oh,
Mommy.
they destroyed me here.
Mommy. Yay! Mommy, come in the shop, please.
No, not yet. I'm trying to fix the tomato. Okay, so let's measure how much is this. This is from 1 tree of our blueberry. So here's the scale. Let's go on. 506 grams from just 1 tree, and we already ate some of those like days ago because there are always so many. So this is 506 grams. That's a lot for just 1 tree, small tree actually. Again, let's try it. See, 506 grams. Cool. Say good night, everyone.
Good night. Ayan.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why is your eye crossed? Good night. Dobranoc. Say dobranoc. Say dobranoc. Now we sing. Good night. Come on, sing. Good night to you. Good night to me. Now close your eyes and go to sleep. Good night. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams tonight. Good night. Good night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yay! Good job.
Good job.
Good night.
Good night.
Kiss. Oh, where's your ducky? Two duckies. Two duckies.
Ducky.
Ducky duckies. Where's your cover?
The cover.
Your cover.
Mommy, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Go down a bit. I want to kiss mommy again. Night night.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.